Okay, friends, let's talk about the 24P collection. P stands for Printemps, which is the spring collection, or what it could be considered also kind of like the pre-spring collection. I love the colors of this collection. I mean, we have a beautiful, very light, kind of lilac-y tone. It is stunning. I think that color has my heart. There's also kind of these, not really baby blue, but close to a baby blue, even lighter than a baby blue in the pastel tone. I mean, perfect for a springtime. We're gonna see coming back the caramel, which you know that sometimes we get the caramel, sometimes we don't. Still the black, the white, the classic shades. Also red, because we know that red is still big for the season. This collection also brings us a ton of tweeds and the comeback of the so-called Chanel Kelly, which I mean, I knew that they were not going to lose the opportunity to sell the Chanel Kelly, which now comes in this gorgeous tweed, pinky. I mean, like, pink is a vibe. I don't think pink is going anywhere. Not only, I mean, obviously last year with the Barbie craze. I'm very honest with you. I'm not really so in love with the so-called Chanel Kelly bag, but on the tweed, I may pull the trigger. Talking about tweed, look at this gorgeous black and white tweed. I think it has perhaps like sequins, like little sequins. It's a top handle bag. You know, my friends, how much I love my top handle bag. And having it on a tweed, I think is so classy. It gives the vibe of a classic flap, but the versatility to have the top handle without paying for the high price tag. So this could be a really good bag to add to your collection if you're looking for a tweed bag. Now, if you want something a little bit more roomy than the Chanel Kelly bag, I will say the cup handle is more roomy. I think it comes in two sizes. They're going to have it in this hot pink, also on caramel, in this periwinkle kind of blue shade, which I'm not too fond to, but I mean, if you're eyeing this bag, it could be a good bag. Now, another bag that I feel that it has a good value, this is called a, do they call it sweetheart? It's kind of like a mini square, but it has a chain with a little heart that you can adjust it. It's coming in this gorgeous blue tone that I think it looks so pretty. Kind of reminds me to my Chanel bag from the, I call it the Camellia collection. It's not the Camellia collection, but you see it has a little Camellia. This is my baby. I love this bag so much. I use it all the time, but the one that we see from this collection, it has instead the heart, and then again it's a little bit smaller in profile, more of like a mini square. Also the Deauville is coming back in gray, also in this caramel kind of tone. Then there is this kind of cocktail night out kind of bag. It's so pretty. It reminds me of the old antique kind of bags, those kind of styles with the clasp on the top. Super pretty. It also comes in the tweed. So I'm eyeing this bag, and perhaps it's going to come in other styles too. Now, this other bag is the one that is having all my attention. It is a mini square kind of bag, but it also has the pearls. And you know, my friends, that everything with pearls and Chanel goes fast. They're hard to find. I know the VICs, they have been already able to shop in boutiques and place even more orders of whatever they have pre-ordered. So I'm pretty sure this bag may be a little bit hard to find, but the good thing is it doesn't only come with the black. I mean, the black is so classic for Chanel, obviously, but also they have it in this kind of more candy, vibrant pink, not super hot pink, but more of a vibrant pink. I think it looks super cute, so Barbie-esque, right? But then the tweed one, oh, this tweed one is so gorgeous. One that I really want to see it in person. Another bag is this kind of flat bag that has like a double chain with the leather. I love this bag. I love that it looks kind of pearlized on the promo images, and it seems like that same leather, they have it in another couple bags. So you're gonna be seeing the pictures right here, right next to me. But these bags, they really are getting my attention. Mostly on this pink. I love pink, but this pink is kind of like a muted pink, but it's still pearlized. Oh, so gorgeous. There are some raffia bags that comes in black, in like a brown tone, not really caramel. I want to see if it comes in like a natural raffia shade because it would be lovely to have one of those for summertime. I love the chain. So far I only see it in particular colors, but I don't see one that is more of like a very natural, very light beige kind of tone. I want to definitely pay a visit to the boutique. Most likely when you're watching this video, I'm already at the boutique checking out the collection. You know me, you know how I am. So that's why it's super important. If you're not following me on my Instagram, I keep you updated right there on my Instagram stories, also on my reels and whatnot. And then obviously subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my uploads. Mostly if I'm going to do a haul video of this Chanel 24P collection, it's going to be exciting. One thing that I'm actually super excited for are the small leather goods. I know. I have some of the bags on my wish list. I know I just did my luxury wish list of the year and I'm adding more stuff. You know how this goes, friends. You know how this goes. But these card holders, CP coins, I mean, the shades, the colors, the little, I like the ones that has the little pearls because I know the pearls are more soft, they are rounded, so they are not gonna scratch the interior of my bag. So I'm eyeing those. I hope that this same card holder that I see it in this light kind of baby blue shade comes in the lilac because I will be all over for it. There's this bag, is more of like what we call it a moon bag. I think this could be a really good bag for every day, something that sits a little bit closer to the body too. And now this little bucket bag is taking my breath away. It's so pretty. I love the duotone. If you notice, it's lilac in tone, but then on the chain, it has a little bit of pink. Wow. Now, look at this beauty. This is a classic flap with rhinestones. Gorgeous. That for a cocktail, a party, price upon request. So you know that that's going to be, I don't know, 18,000, 17,000. Who knows? So definitely nothing that I'm looking forward to purchase. I look forward to actually check it in the store, but that's as far as I will go. Now look at these slim bags with the sequins. Oh my gosh. These are gonna go crazy. And I think they also come in the ballerina flats. Talking about the ballerina flats, the one with the camellia. Oh my goodness. Those are so pretty, but the slim bags. Now look at this shoe right here, this pink shoe with a camellia on top. It looks so pretty. It kind of reminds me more of a shoe that you will find in the, in the 60s. So lovely. Now these sneakers, if they have it in all white, I may pull the trigger because I'm looking for another pair of white sneakers, but I want them just all white. Other than that, these black shoes with a camellia on top, closed toe, the shape of the heel, so beautiful, elegant, classy, something that, cost per wear is there, you're gonna use it. Yeah, it's definitely one to be considered. Now, there are a lot of platform shoes on this collection. I like these ones, the white ones. I'm very short and I appreciate a platform shoes, mostly if I'm gonna wear it with either jeans or shorts. I like them, and I like these ones that are just more neutral, more casual. I also, talking about camellias, I also love these sandals with the camellias. I don't know if to get them in black. I know black could be very versatile, so it could be a possibility, but if they have it kind of like in a beigey tone, is one that I will be more inclined into getting. The 22 bag is coming also in this denim, which is something that I will not get. Also in the so black, which means that it's all black, including the hardware. Very fun and appropriate if you're into that quiet luxury kind of situation that you don't really want to see a lot. I know those are usually very popular, but it doesn't really convince me. There's this other print right here with all the flower power kind of design, and I know in this same print there are another couple bags, but I don't like the print. It reminds me to a tablecloth, and I'm sorry if you like the print. It's just not for me at all and whatsoever. Now these pair of mules, I feel that are so elegant, classy, black and white, so Chanel, with a little Chanel logo on the side. That's so pretty. That is very, very pretty and something that I will consider. Okay, my friends, I would love to know which of the pieces from this 24P collection are just capturing your attention. Those that you are like, oh, I'm adding them to my wish list. I'm gonna check the Chanel boutique, see what they have. Let's just continue that conversation in the comment section down below where you're at it. And if you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. It will be incredible if you can please come and follow me both on my Instagram and TikTok. If you like this video, if it serves you of any sort of entertainment, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends so we can grow our family. And if you're not done watching my content, well, I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.